That hurt my ear back here.
Would you lie? Would you lie to me? Squeezing line. Tell me what you're up to. I find we'll get high.
If you made it to the end of this video, you probably really like this car. Well, I'm actually telling you, I'm out in Phoenix, Arizona, and the car is for sale. I'm asking $11,000, so if you have that range of cash, make me an offer. Hit me up on Instagram at Cameron Alford. I'd love to sell this car to one of you guys that's watching the videos. It means a lot to me. It's my first car that I built almost A to Z. We didn't do wide body or motor swap, but I want to move on to the next project and keep growing the channel and stop here with this car. So we probably did like A to X. I feel like it has everything done to it except a motor swap and wide body. It's a fantastic car. It's so much fun. The hydro brake is such a good time doing U-turns and donuts and things like that. It's literally track ready or street drift ready. It's honestly, in my opinion, I've had so much fun. It's been my like ideal dailyable drift car. And even with the welded diff, it's really not that bad, and it gets kind of looks going around parking lots with your tires screeching. It's a good time. So if you guys made it this far in the video, thank you so much. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you like learning how to build cars, learning new things, getting confidence in the garage to go work on your own car, this is the spot for you. If you already are subscribed here, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. And then don't forget, karmaspeed.com is the channel brand. I got some merchandise and some detail products and things like that. The Baja Mist, made after the Baja Blast Mountain Dew at Taco Bell. Baja Mist is a detail spray made after that for your car. So hit that up on karmaspeed.com, and don't forget, if the car is for you, it's for sale. Hit me up on Instagram. Thank you so much for stopping by. This car has been so much fun. I have a couple more 350Z videos, so don't stress. And it's not going to be the end of the 350Z on this channel. I'm going to be getting another one soon because I love this car so much, but I might do a car in between then, because the next Z I want to do a full motor swap and wide body and stuff like that. So I wish I could afford to keep it, but I need to keep moving, build this channel. It's business, it's my full-time job, so I appreciate you guys understanding that, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.